I'm Prerna from Nirvana, and I'm here with an exclusive vocab series on GRE Verbal. In this series, we'll be covering a lot of words that are required to ace the GRE Verbal section. But prior to that, let's have a look at the GRE Verbal section itself. If I talk about GRE total, the total score is 340, out of which 170 is for verbal and 170 is for quant. If we divide the 170 or the GRE Verbal section into two parts, the one part will be having FIB questions, that is sentence sequence and text completion, and the other part will be having reading comprehension and critical reasoning. So now first let's focus on the FIB portion or the sentence sequence and text completion. As you know, this section is comparatively easy and here you can score more. So what is required for acing this section? That is of course vocabulary. For solving the sentence sequence and text completion, vocabulary is a must. Now, when it comes to vocabulary, now just knowing the meaning of it or mugging up the words or knowing the antonyms or synonyms of it will not be sufficient. So we need to know the contextual meaning of a particular word. We even need to know the nuances. Now let's try and understand the same with the help of an example. Suppose if I take the word leave, its synonyms would be abandon, abdicate, relinquish, renounce. Now, these four words cannot be used interchangeably. The word abdicate means to give up the throne, power or authority, while renounce means to leave world and worldly affairs. So the two words cannot be used interchangeably. So we need to know a particular word in totality. We need to know the contextual meaning of it and also the nuances. So this is how our approach or strategy should be. We should be knowing the word, the literal meaning of it, the synonyms, the antonyms, the related word, and of course the contextual usage and nuances. The same we are going to do in our vocab series, which we will be starting in the next video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do like, subscribe, and post your queries if you have any. Thank you so much.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for you.